Okay. So good morning, dear students. Today we'll discuss about some of the examples of regular expressions. Some of the examples of regular expressions and how to handle regular expressions with text file. So that was the agenda of the day. And coming on to yesterday's assignment. Yesterday, I gave, you have to write a program to open a file from internet, HTTPS py4e.com, code 3 mbox-short.txt. This was the file. Okay. So I told very clearly, whenever you are using HTTP protocol, you can directly use URL lib. Okay, URL lib.request. Whenever you are using HTTPS, look at that, HTTPS, then you have to make use of this request. You have to make use of this request module. I told very clearly. Request module, you have to use it when you are working with HTTPS. Okay. Let us look into it. So the entire program is a 3-line code. Before I explain my code, let me see, is there anyone has done assignment? Let me check. Okay. Let me check. Is there anyone? I'll open Padlet. Okay. Yeah, it is coming. Right. So only 13 students have done assignment. Let us see each one of them. Yes, request.get. Pavan, why so many spaces? Oh, you have written a very big, this one. Okay, I'll approve. Your friends can comment on it. Yeah, who is this? Praveen Hegde. Yes, good, Praveen. You're absolutely right. You have done. Good. So I'm approving. Your friends can comment. Deepak. Yes, good, Deepak. You got the output. Okay, fantastic. I'm approving. Next, so Sahana, while taking printout, while taking screenshot, all these things, extra things are not required. Only you can take the code and few lines of this one. See, it is looking very small in my this one. Okay. Okay, Sahana, your answer is correct. You're fantastic. But your answer and Praveen Hegde answer are one and the same. Look at that. Who is this? Okay, A dot RE. Here also A dot. Praveen Hegde and Deepak. In Ipru Jotel Madadra. Huh? And Nodi Harshita M. A dot. See, this is very bad. See, they don't even change the terminologies. Email mail.txt ನೋಡಿ mail.txt ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ mail.txt ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೀವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಎಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಐ see you should see one very important why I give assignment it is not for your marks. Okay, this fellow has done differently, good, but he has used a different this one. Fine, that's correct, it's correct, approve. Sahana Bharadwaj. Sahana, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ Sahana? See, it is very difficult. Eli, output Eli. Where is your output? Output is missing, Sahana. Sahana, you're there? Sorry, Meghana. Meghana, your output. You're missing. And what about Shubha? Shubha, ade, same. EM, okay, name terminology ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ರೂವ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಮೇಶ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೂ ಡಿಡ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಫೈಲ್, ರಮೇಶ್ ಶ್ರೀ. I want you to read a file from internet. Okay. Akshay Ganapati. What is the meaning of R? Akshay? I'll ask. Okay. I'll ask. I'll approve. Akshay. And finally, Raghavendra Devrai Nayak. Hey, yakappa chikkad madidira, very small. Put it. Okay, when you take it out, it should be correct. Nange example, full output illde idro, a portion of the output if you send, that's sufficient. Okay, ivaga yaru Jayant submit madidru. Yes, Jayant. Nodi Jayant ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay, Jayant ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, somebody has done the code and shared in the your WhatsApp group, private group. So everybody you are using it, the same logic. Okay. Same logic. Akshay, are you there? Akshay idiyappa? Akshay?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this regular expression pattern? Can you explain?
It means
just open in a window, big size. Yeah. Can you explain? Yeah. What is the meaning of R? What is the meaning of W? What is the meaning of dot? What is the meaning of hyphen, minus, plus? Everything you should explain. Yeah.
R means is all detect the characters.
R means
like formatting the email ID.
Okay. W means small w.
It's a word. It's word detecting the
capital W. What is this slash W? Slash dot, backslash dot indicates. What does minus indicate? Minus indicate.
Minus indicates it's getting the space.
Space? No. No, not at all. And what is this plus indicate? Plus indicate. What does this?
It's concatenation of the dot.
No. See, dear Akshay, you try your program, your effort, I really appreciate. But without understanding this pattern, okay, if you write the program, it will be a wrong. You should understand what is the meaning of each word. So R is indicating it's a regular expression. Within bracket, square bracket, if you're writing like this, so any characters may appear in this sequence. What is that? Minus W, any word. Or dot, you may have any word or any dot. Or sometimes you will write akshay-ganapati@gmail.com. So hyphen is also, sometimes it is allowed. Akshay dot Hegde dot hyphen Ganapati@gmail.com. So in that case, dot is also special character. and hyphen is allowed. Hyphen is also allowed. So any character, either you may get word, or you may get a dot, or you may get minus, and you are writing plus here, indicating that this characters, any words, maybe multiple words you may get, multiple dots may get, multiple hyphens you may get. So plus indicates that is multiple times, one or more times if they appear, zero or more times if they appear. So no problem. And at the symbol, after this you have at symbol. So at symbol, again, you may have word, you may have a dot, or you may have a minus. So if this pattern appears, then it is a Gmail. Then it is an email. Okay, you can see it is there. Source. There are so many examples that you have written. Louis, yes. And see, this is a very big thing. 2008 dot something at something. You can see it's available. Yeah. Nakamura dot uits dot iutui dot edu. It's a very big email. So like this, your program is correct. I'm not saying, but you should understand each and every. Not only Akshay. Today I just took one example of Akshay. Others also. If you know very well, it will be really helpful. See, these are all the examples that I give based on my corporate experience, right? Corporate experience I use, I give it, same thing, so that my students should get benefit out of it. So I have written the same code in 3 lines. You can see first I have taken this URL, I have stored the URL, HTTPS. Look at there, HTTPS. When I'm using HTTPS, I should use get, requests.get. So it is getting the URL.txt. All the contents of this file is getting as a txt file. Okay, you're reading the contents of the file as a txt file, and this you are in that txt file you are searching for this pattern. What is this pattern? /s indicates it is a string. A string may appear one or more times. At the rate, another string may appear. So if this is the case, so you have to find all. Find all will give you a list of all the matching patterns. That is a list. In that list, what you are doing, you are directly looping for EML. You are displaying first email, second email, third email, fourth email. You just do it and it will print. So if I run this code, you'll get all the emails. Look at that, all the emails are appearing. Yes, just displaying all the emails. All the emails, it is just displaying all the emails that are appearing. All the emails that are appearing. So it is displaying all the emails. So that is the output. I think most of you have done correctly, but still others, I think you can see there are only 15, 16 entries I could be able to see the assignment. What about other 40 students? You're not putting your effort. Okay. So predict the output of this particular code. So this particular code, I want everybody to predict. So what will be, Z I'm considering, what will be the output of this? If Z, print yes, we have match, we have a match. Or no, yes or no. What does it print? Yes or no? Just everybody, you type it in the chat box. what will be the output of this particular program? What will be the output of this particular program? I want all 47 students, today 47 students are there in the chat box, sorry, in the participants list. All 47 should type. Good. Shashank, good. Shubha, good. Boya Pavan, good. Chandrasekhar, good. You are giving right answer. I want all. Either you say yes or no. Analyze it. Ramya, good. Jayant, good. Analyze. What will Z print? Okay. Sahana Bharadwaj, good. So like this, I want everybody. Yes. Yes, Rameshri, good. Sanjay, yes. Yes. Chandrasekhar, he is asking a question. Good, Chandrasekhar. That is correct. Correct, Chandrasekhar. Pavan, Aishwarya, Praveen, Lavanya, everybody you are answering. I want everybody to answer. I'll give only 20 seconds. So you analyze. Harshita, good. So like this, I want everybody to answer. See, this indicates that your mind is working with the code that I am displaying. Hey, what about others? Shushma, good. Good, Shushma. What about others? Chetan, Darshan, Elri, Bhumika, Bhudevi. Huh? I want your answers. Joshi, Ajit, Darshan, good. Arpita, M, good. Hey, what about others, man? No, it is not. You're not thinking. I want everybody to answer. Yes, everybody to answer. No problem. This is very important concept. See, tomorrow if you go to a data scientist post, this concept is very, very important. Regular expressions and file handling. Very, very important. That's why I am going slowly. Deepa, yes. Arpita, yes. Good. Meghana, Raghavendra, Suhas, Chetan, Vandana, Swarna, yes. Everybody is writing correctly. Okay. Look at here. What is that you are checking? There is a text txt, Rain in Spain. So you are checking whether in is present inside txt or not. Present in txt or not. So you are just, I'm sorry, where is it? Yeah. Somewhere, execution part. Okay, leave it. Okay, it is showing the memory. Okay, view means it will show the memory. Okay, leave it. So that is Z in is present inside the text. So it will have some value, that is object, then S will be printed. What about X? What about X? If I give X, what happens? So what is the meaning of this caret symbol? I want everybody to answer in the chat box. What is the meaning of caret symbol that I have displayed here? What is the meaning of this symbol, caret symbol? Yeah, good. Beginning of the string, starting of the string. Good. Starts with. Yes, correct. Begins with. If a text begins with rain, you're just checking. The text, whatever you are having, txt, if it is beginning with the, that means it will hold yes value, true value, or some value, some pattern value. Yes, it will hold. So in this case, it will return true. It will return true. Let us check that. Just run it. So yes, it will give yes, true. Now, what is the meaning of dollar? What is the meaning of dollar? What is the meaning of dollar? I want everybody. Yes. End of the string, end of the text. Yes, correct. Ends. At the end of the string. Yes. The same thing holds good in Unix also. Yes. In Unix programming also, shell programming, we discussed this. Pattern, regular expression patterns. Yes. So if the string is matching with Spain, ending with Spain, then it will return true or some object, true object. Yes, it will give. Suppose if I give Spain, yes, I give. Small s I give. Then it is false. No, it is not matching because S is a capital. Spain is capital. Sometimes if I give this, I don't give spine. I just give in. I just give in. Is it ending with in? Say yes or no. Yes or no? Yeah, good, Lavanya. No problem. One or two can unmute and you can talk. I don't mind. Still, yes. I can see. In, it is ending with in. Yes. You can see it matches. If I give only n also, it will take. Only n also it is taking. So it is. This is the one. This is the understanding. Starts with, ends with, and in between. In between you have anything. So it is just like that. This is one of the very good examples. I coined it, okay, for your benefit. Okay, next example. Okay. What is the difference between search and find all? Search will tell whether it is present inside or not. It will tell whether it is present in or not. Whereas find all, if it is present, it will give you a list. It will give you a list. If the list contains some words, all the matching words are available. All the matching words are available. If the list is empty, then no match found. No match found. So what is the thing? No match found. So second example. Yeah. What will be the output of second example? This example. Example number, I think 44. Yeah. No, 35. Yes, this is 35. Yeah. What will be the output of this particular code? I want everybody to type in the chat box. What will be the output? I want see who will give the right answer first. Let me see in the chat box. Who will give the right answer? What will be the output of this particular code? Okay. So you are checking AI in text. You are finding all AI in text. Shashank has given. Okay. Okay, Lavanya. Okay. Let us run. Yes. It is giving only AI and AI. Because this is a string that is not having any pattern. Pattern characters are not there. So it will print AI as AI only. Look at the next example. In this case, I have given the pattern. Yes, S is the pattern. Small s means what? What is the meaning of small s? Somebody, you can answer. Small s. What is the meaning of pattern?
Sorry, it returns if it contains a white space.
Yes, correct, Chandrasekhar. Absolutely, you are right. Capital S other than white space. We have used our email example, right? Email pattern we used. So that capital S other than white space. Okay, that string. Small s. And what it is doing, you are searching for a space and you are displaying it. Yes, the entire search will hold, the result will hold in x dot start. X dot start. When I run this, it will give you the starting location or starting index number of the first space character. First space character. Where is the location? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here. Here is the space. Look at that. It will give. So, search will return an object. That object, using that object dot start, you can get the starting location of. See, look at it there. Returns index of the starting of the substring matching the group. Yes, that is there. That is. If you just keep the cursor there, it will show. Right. Next, I have sub. What is the meaning of sub? Sub is nothing but substitution. What is that you are substituting? All white spaces you are substituting with hyphen. See, substitution. Very simple. See, replacing the leftmost non-overlapping occurrence of pattern with another one. So, repeated characters. So, Rhine space, in space, Spain. Rain in Spain. So, if I give, so what happens? The hyphen, rain hyphen, in hyphen, Spain, you will get. Look at that. All spaces are replaced by this. Look at that. So if you want to remove the space, that's it. Run it. One student last year, he was asked a question in interview. I'll give you a string. How do you print the string without spaces? I've asked earlier also in some of the. So you have used a for loop and you started checking each and every character. If the character is a space, then don't print. Go to next iteration. But if you use re.sub directly in one line, you get the output. Look at that. That's a smart way of thinking and writing. So this was a question. This was a question asked in one of the interviews. Right. re.sub. Now, look at here the URL. Is it HTTP or HTTPS? HTTP, right? Whenever a URL is HTTP, that means you are reading a file from internet and you are using a protocol, HTTP protocol. When you are using HTTP protocol, you should use URL lib. URL lib. If it is HTTP, yes. Requests.get. Request.get you have to use. I told this when I was explaining the earlier programs also. Now also I am telling. Now also I am telling very clear. So there is a file called data.romeo.txt. Okay, in this website, I am reading that, I'm displaying after decoding it. You can just run it. Look at that. It is only 4-line code. This is, remember URL lib.request. This is. Similarly, I'm taking RNSIT website. Look at that. Somebody, can you tell what I'm doing in this particular program? Just analyze. Analyze and tell me what I'm doing in this. You can unmute and talk. What I'm doing in this particular program. Everybody analyze. I'll wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Analyze and tell me what are you doing in this code. What I'm doing in this code. Right?
Sir, you are finding all the website links, or which means like an anchor tag.
Yes, exactly, Chandru. You're opening the website, rnsit.ac.in. You're opening the website. In that site, you're opening index.html. Index.html is the first file that opens whenever you open any website. In that file, what you are doing, what you are referring, you are checking href, anchor tag, all the references which are starting with HTTP, colon, slash, and dot star. It may be anything. That pattern. If it is found, it is finding all and you're printing all the links. So I'm reading all the links that are there in rnsit.ac.in. This is very much required for web scraping. Web scraping is one of the very interesting topic. Web scraping. So you give a website, it will search everything in that website, all the pages, all the documents, all the PDF files, all the image files, everything it will search, and it will tell whether your keyword is present in that website or not. That is web scraping.
Sir.
Yes, Pa.
Sir, in exactly 6th line, you have given comma HTML. Because we are reading a file from a website in HTML format.
No. You are reading all these contents of the file and you are storing in a variable called HTML. In an object called HTML. I give Chandru here. So Chandru, I will replace HTML with Chandru.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay. Chandru is a variable, that's all. You are searching this pattern. B indicates it's a binary text. Okay. You are searching it because it is not decoded. Okay. This is not decoded. The entered content in Chandru is not a decoded. That's why it is in binary form. You are checking it and you are displaying it. It is displaying. You are checking here, searching here. And all the links you are storing in links and you are displaying. While displaying, you are decoding. Hope you understood. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have one more example. So, I have a file called mbox-short.txt. Here, I want to print all the lines that do not have any number. If a number is there, 0 to 9, any number, that line should not be printed. So in that case, what I'm doing, I'm searching for the pattern. If any number appears in that line, don't print. If it is not there, any number is not there, then you can print. So I think box-short.txt is available here. So if I run this code, okay, what happens? It will print. See, look at their first line, doesn't have number. Next line doesn't have number. So any number, any variable you just take, does not having number. Okay, any variable you just take does not having number. Yes, like this. If I want only the text, only the lines that have numbers, you just make it as, you remove the not and run it. When I run it, so look at there, the first line, starting from the first line. Okay. So or any line you just take. SAK1, okay, it is present. This line, yes, 1, 2 is present. Here 0 is present. Yes, good. So here 8 is there, 2008 is there. Here 500 is there. So like this, in any line, if you have any one number, that line is printed. If I give not, it is not printed. It is not printed. So that is what you should understand. See, it is very, very important. Okay, predict the output. I think time is getting too short. You can just go through these 3 examples. Okay. Okay. And assignment for today's class. You have to read, you have to take a USN, and you have to tell whether that USN is valid or not. If it is a valid USN, you have to tell whether it is a PG USN or UG USN. Hint I'll give you. For UG, only 2 characters will be there. EC, only 2 characters. And you will have 3 numbers. 3 numbers for UG. For PG, you'll have 3 characters. MCA, MBA. Okay, 3 characters. And you will have at last only 2 digits. So the program is not so easy. Let me see who will going to do it. Okay, let me see who will going to do it. Yeah, you're typing in your USN for attendance sake. That's good. But the assignment, class assignment is you have to read a USN and check whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you have to check whether it is a UG USN or PG USN. That's the challenge for you. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. All the class recordings, this example page, collab page is available in my website along with the video recording. You can just view it. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day.